Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Range Rover Evoque P270e Autobiography, finished in Sanotorini Black metallic paint, with 20-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include copper exterior accents, pixel LED headlights, front fog lights, red brake calipers, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. As we enter now beneath the power tailgate, we can see the load space with the 40/20/40 rear folding seats, the parcel shelf, and the illuminated chrome tread plates. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sunroof from the inside. As we turn to view the Ebony Windsor Leather seats, with centre armrest, and on the centre console we have the rear climate vents and heated seat buttons. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door card, and turning in we have the heated and cooled electric front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the adaptive cruise control with the heated steering wheel button, interactive driver display with sat-nav, the head-up display on the dash, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We have the controls for the heated rear seats, as well as for the heated and cooled front seats. We also have the 3D surround camera display, and on the center console we have the gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.